Hi everybody, my name is Varin and I'm not a genius as you all already know by now. Okay, this video is the continuation of the last video, Money Matters, that we did last time. And we got very good comments on the last video. Some of them were really amazing comments, some of them were very informative. Even I learned few things from those comments. So thank you very much for your comments, and don't forget to comment on this video also. Okay, so in this video I was going to tell you what my opinion is on the question, which is why a lot of companies are struggling and why a lot of households are struggling due to this pandemic. So why are they struggling? Let's see. I have done more than maybe 2,000 or 3,000 interviews in my career, and there is one question I always ask: why do you want to work? The answer that I get most of the time is for money. So it means what? It means money is one of the most important thing in whatever you do. Yes, it's not the most important thing, but it's one of the most important things. So my question is, if money is one of the most important things, do you have it? Why don't you have it? And how much do you care about it? Let's say you have a girlfriend and you say, my girlfriend is very important to me. If she is very important to you, will you take care of her? You will, right? Sure. Then if money is very important to you, do you take care of money? I doubt that. That is one of the biggest problems. Let's say I have seen people having mobile phones for $1,200 or $1,300, and if you ask them a question, how much money do you have in your bank account? The answer is zero, because they got it on installments. So that's why money matters a lot. My opinion is why people are struggling, and maybe why companies are struggling, because of 3 points. Point number one is your expense cannot exceed 60% of your active income. For how long? Forever. And if you say, but Varin, I only earn $2,000, I don't know. You have to find a way to only spend 60% or find a way to earn more money. That's the only way you will be able to survive during bad times. Otherwise, you cannot survive. I have seen a lot of people, they have credit cards. They are surviving on credit cards. Credit card, you're surviving on credit. That's ridiculous already. Point number two, you have to create cash flow for rainy days. How much cash flow? My guess is around 12 months to 18 months of cash flow. So if your survival expense is, let's say, $1,000, you should have 12,000 to 18,000 of cash flow in your bank account at any given point. If you don't have it, create it. After you create this cash flow, you keep it aside, and then with the money you save more, you can do other kinds of investments. So that's also very important. So if anything happens, you won't panic. Nobody will panic, but nobody does that, because people earn 4,000, they spend more than 4,000 or 4,000 or 3,800, they save nothing. Their life is getting better for the time being, for temporary, but the end is dangerous. Think about it. Point number three, you have to create passive income and investments as soon as possible. If you don't know how to do that, I think you should go on Google. Google is your teacher. Just type anything you want to learn and Google will teach you. You can start as soon as like $100 a month investment. It's okay. You learn something, but do that, because this will shape your life in the future. Okay, so let's do a recap of today's video. There are 3 points we discussed. Number one is your expense cannot exceed 60% of your active income for your lifetime. Point number two is you should have a cash flow of at least 12 to 18 months kept it separate in the bank account, so that if anything comes, in any adversaries comes, you are always ready. Point number 3, you have to start looking into passive income and investments. So those were the 3 points, and again, it's only my opinion. Okay, it's no right or wrong. That's what I think. What do you think about these opinions? Please write down in your comments, and don't forget to share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, so I'll see you next time with another amazing video, which I think is amazing. I don't know what you think about this video. Okay, so my name is Varin, and I am not a genius. You can see that this time maybe my video got a bit better. I'm not strutting that much, right? Okay, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget, money matters. So if money matters, take care of your money. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.